You are my best friend. I love how good you are to me and others. I promise to not only be your husband, but your best friend also. I promise to stay by your side through the good times and bad. I promise to love you forever, and I promise to try my best to get used to you snoring.
Oh, baby, you look beautiful.
Your face is all skin and bones now. You shaved it all off.
You ready for this?
Sort of.
You're fine.
When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. Today, we start our new beginning as husband and wife. I cannot promise life will always be easy, but I can promise no matter what, my love for you is unconditional. I promise to share in your dreams and support you as you strive to achieve your goals. I promise to grow with you and to be true to you and to be faithful to you. Through the good times and the bad, I promise to always stand by your side. There was a time when I called you my best friend, and you replied with, "You're not my best friend, you're my girlfriend." Cody James, you're not only the absolute love of my life, but you are my best friend, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Therefore, by the authority vested in me by the church and the state, I pronounce you as husband and wife and declare that what God has joined together, let no one divide. May His peace and love be with you forever. Amen. You may now kiss the bride. It is my privilege to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Cody Boyd.